this is Khushi Chauhan and you are watching RKFMA. The newly inaugurated Kartavya Path represents the feeling of Indianness. Last week, hundreds of people attended the grand event which featured cultural performances of more than 20 teams of artists from different states. Kartavya Path was closed for revamp since last 20 months. Kartavya Path is a part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Central Vista Redevelopment project. The Prime Minister also inaugurated the statue of Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose while the classic song Kadam Kadam Badhaye Ja played in the background. According to the reports, Kartavya Path was renamed to keep the Prime Minister's pledge taken on Independence Day in which he committed to remove the colonial traces. That's all for now. We'll meet you soon in the next video.